feel the silence chasing me. Shadows follow me everywhere I go.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another honest review. Today's focus is the AEKE K1, a smart home gym built for convenient training, structured routines, and quiet indoor sessions. This setup blends technology with daily life, turning a small corner of a room into a guided fitness space. Actually, we use this AEKE K1 in this studio here because all of my workmates, including my girlfriend, Merlin, Jennifer, Eva, all of them are in love with this AEKE K1. Well, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Inside the box sits the main K1 platform, folded tight and ready for use. Alongside it are the smart grips, ankle straps, crossbar, and the heart rate armband. The adjustable bench arrives with pre-marked angles for quick changes, and the camera cover is included for privacy. The 8 electrode scale handles full body analysis, completing the core AI setup. Every accessory locks into the system smoothly, creating an all-in-one package that arrives organized, protected, and prepared for immediate training. The K1 opens with a controlled slide, unfolding from a slim profile into a stable platform in seconds. Its aluminum frame feels balanced and the overall structure blends with interior spaces without creating visual clutter. The folded footprint remains compact, taking less space than a small chair, which keeps the room open between sessions. No calibration or assembly is needed. Once powered on, the interface appears like a familiar touchscreen hub. Okay, once the system activates, the dual camera AI begins analyzing posture, angles, stability, and overall movement. The process feels calm and methodical, guiding each position step by step. With 42 skeletal tracking points, the 6-dimensional assessment forms the most comprehensive reports among home gyms, covering posture, flexibility, cardio endurance, movement patterns, muscle strength, and body composition. The scale syncs instantly to complete the baseline. After that, the AI coach builds structured routines and automatically recommends suitable resistance levels based on the assessment report. During sessions, real-time corrections appear on the 43-inch 4K display, helping maintain consistent form across each movement, transition, and movement pattern while adapting the intensity as progress builds. Well, the library includes strength sessions, pilates, stretching, cardio, and yoga, each presented in steady sequences. Plans are auto-generated based on progress data, adjusting intensity as patterns improve. AEKE's courses are continuously updated, and all content remains free for life. Wow, that's really an amazing thing. A new batch of courses was added this month, expanding the range even further. For flexible days, quick start modes allow instant training without committing to a structured routine. With hundreds of trackable movements and guided sessions, the K1 stays versatile for short windows of time or focused training blocks throughout the week. Training begins with a smooth pull from the smart grips. The resistance adjusts digitally, rising or dropping without mechanical noise. Weight changes occur through a simple tap, and the system tracks total volume, power output, duration, and cumulative progress. The platform stops immediately if tension is released, keeping sessions controlled and steady. For those who are not beginners, the free workout mode becomes an important part of the experience. Advanced or pro-level users can start training instantly, choosing preferred movements, building sets, and adjusting intensity freely. Screencasting supports personal music, films or external workout programs, allowing each session to match individual habits without limiting creativity. Custom movement selection lets users choose specific exercises, creating routines that follow personal style or long term training habits. The bench supports both standard lifting and core focused positions, locking firmly at each angles. Its padding keeps seated work stable, matching the quiet furniture style presence seen across the rest of the design. The 2.1 sound system and large 4K mirror display keep visibility and atmosphere clear during every movement. After each workout, the K1 folds back into its narrow stance with one motion, leaving the room organized again.
Shadows follow me everywhere.
This setup has blended into daily training smoothly, offering stable hardware, structured routines, and a compact footprint that fits into regular living spaces. Well, I have left a link in the description box. Go ahead, check this AEKE K1. But before you go, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.